In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Yahoo Mail. Adding a signature to your emails can be a great way to personalize your messages, provide important contact information, or even promote your business. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Yahoo Mail website. Once there, you'll be prompted to log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in and looking at your Yahoo Mail inbox, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the page. You should see a button labeled More. Go ahead and click on that button to reveal additional options. After you click More, you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, look for and select Settings. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your Yahoo Mail experience, including setting up your email signature. With the Settings menu open, look for the section labeled Writing Email. Clicking on this option will take you to the area where you can customize your email composition settings, including your signature. Now, within the Writing Email section, you'll see options related to signatures. Here, you'll be able to see all the email addresses associated with your Yahoo account. It's important to note that you need to enable the signature option for each email address you want to use a signature with. So make sure you select the appropriate email account if you have more than one. Next, you'll find a toggle or button to enable the signature feature. Click on it to turn on the signature for the email address you've selected. Once you've enabled the signature option, a text box will appear where you can type in your desired signature. This is your chance to get creative. You can include your name, job title, contact information, or even a catchy tagline or quote that represents you or your business. After you've crafted your perfect signature, take a moment to review it for any spelling or formatting errors. Yahoo Mail typically supports basic text formatting, so you can bold, italicize, or underline text if you want to add a bit of flair. Once you're satisfied with your signature, you're all set. The signature will now automatically appear at the bottom of every email you send from that address, providing a consistent and professional look to your communications. And there you have it. You've successfully added a signature to your Yahoo Mail account. I hope this guide was helpful and that you find your new email signature to be a valuable addition to your online communications. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.